I was involved with broadcasting, television broadcasting in the early days of television broadcasting, and digital broadcasting. And so one of the hardest jobs I had to do was to build a filter, a signal filter, to remove the unwanted signals out of the signal, so the picture was as clear as it could possibly be. Now we have digital television just coming broadcast every day, and we imagine that it's a very new thing. This was more than 40 years ago, so the chips and things we had to work with were very, very slow and were very, very difficult to manage. I think the first important skill is to be able to listen. Listen to your lecturers, listen to your supervisors, and listen to the people you work with and study with. And after you've listened, then you think, and then you draw conclusions. So I think listening and thinking and analysis and then drawing conclusions is something which engineers have to learn to do, and is very important in their career. I've worked in industry, and I've worked in several universities. I think what I've enjoyed most is students, because that's the purpose of education, and to see students learn and achieve their goals is very important. I met a graduate student, or a graduate that I had supervised his final year project on an aeroplane one day, and he said to me, what I liked about your lectures was you made me think. So I found that very gratifying, that I made this particular student, who was a very good student, I made him think. So that's been my main pleasure. What's step-by-step criteria? It's a hard one, isn't it? I think it goes back to my first listening point. We need to be together. We need to focus on the task, and we need to listen to each other. And we need to divide the task up in such a way that everybody has a chance to have their input, but that we have a method for agreeing what is the best way forward and the best solution. So I think the most important skill in being in a team is to listen to each other and allow everybody's opinions to flow, and then build the best outcome from there, not for someone to dominate. Well, the whole skill area, which almost was not, did not exist when I started my studies, was computing. And the way in which computing has transformed engineering, I think, has been the main area of skill development that I have encountered. But I also had to develop more mathematical skills. Only maybe 15 years ago, because the mathematics that I learned at university was not adequate to deal with the problems that I was facing. So I think you have to be ready to learn new things all the time. Some of them might be practical, but they are very likely to be involved in computer techniques and software things. Looking to the future, I think there will be more and more capability built into computing. Some of you may well do some of that building, and you will have more sophisticated materials with which to do engineering. And I think the big challenges you will face will be how we make sure that the choice of materials does not, and how we dispose of materials in waste does not degrade the environment. That's the biggest area of consideration, the environment, and also, of course, the energy issue. So sustainability of our earth and air and water is something which I think engineers are going to be increasingly involved in.